For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The treasure chest containing precious silverware has been unearthed in Poland. The chest filled with silver goblets, cutlery and tableware were found in the castle of Nowy Sącz. The find is said to have belonged to Jews captured and murdered by Nazis during the World War II. Lead detectives said that she was surprised to find the silverware. We started to extract the paper delicately, which appeared first. It was in very poor condition. After a while, we saw silver, a lot of silver. The team of 6 removed the chest, which was disintegrated and rusted over time. What remained from the rusted chest was 103 silver objects made in Poland and Austria. Local archaeologists present at the site said that the silverware was connected to Jewish rituals.
It is Judaica, probably from the turn of the 19th and 20th century, connected to Jewish ritual and was probably buried during World War II. Is it connected with the buildings that used to be in this part of the city, or was it stolen by the Germans, who were then unable to take it away?
The discovery was made just 20 meters from where 15th century dinar coins were found. The exploration of the castle is linked to the rebuilding of Nowy Sącz Castle. The castle was King Kazimierz the Great around 1355. The castle had a moat and was used as a residential building. It was first ruined by Swedish Brandenburgian troops in 1655. All that remains today of the castle is the outer wall and the reconstructed tower. Explorers first found fragments of paper before they found the silverware. The Polish castle, where the discovery was made, was turned into a barrack by the Nazis. The Nazis used the place as an ammunition depot and captured 20,000 Nowy Sącz Jews. In 1942, the entire Jewish population was sent to Belzec death camp. The castle was completely destroyed when Polish soldiers blew up the Nazi barracks. The silver trove will now be handed over to archaeologists. The archaeologist will identify and list the items and clean them up. The cleansed silverware will then be displayed in the Region Museum of Nowy Sącz. The discovery is important to know the Jewish lifestyle during the time before the Nazi occupancy.